Alright, recently someone's been asking me, hey, how do you go ahead and change out a doorknob that doesn't have any screws on it? Someone said, use a screwdriver. Pry it open. Oh, that didn't work. Next, someone said, hey, look for that hole. Stick something in there and push in a pin and the knob will come right off. Guess what? No pin. Didn't work. If you look at this doorknob closely, it's not any ordinary doorknob, it's a Sargent. So this kind of Sargent doorknob, this portion here, if it rotates counterclockwise, then it's how you can take off the knob. So what you need to do is grab here and go ahead and turn it counterclockwise to go ahead and twist it off. And that's how you get this off. But if it's too hard by hand, you can always use a handy pipe wrench. And this will do the job as well. So you grab this collie here, like so. Then you can turn counterclockwise. Once you've got it loosened, you can unscrew it by hand. And there you can see it's threaded all the way down. Now, once you've done it on one side and you've done unscrewing these threads, then you can go ahead and take care of the other side. So you must do it on both sides. Now, once you've unscrewed both sides, you should be able to see the threads on both sides. Now comes the tricky part. Now that you've removed or unloosened both of these screws, you locate this hole on the outside of the door. And watch closely. What you need to do is grasp the knob and turn it until you see a wire in which you can be depressed to remove the knob. Watch. See that? There's the hole. Turn the knob slowly. There, right there. That is the wire you need to depress to remove the knob. So once we go ahead and depress that wire, we can pull out the knob. Like that. That's the wire that we depressed. So once you go and push that wire in, you should be able to pull the spring out. So we must do this for both sides of the doorknob. There's the wire. Push it in. So once you do that, this knob will come out. You notice there's the wire that you push to pull the knob out. And on this side, again, here's the wire that you pushed. Push this in and you pull it out. Okay. So now comes the easy part. Then you get your Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and, this can't come out yet, so you need to take this off. Okay, so once you've removed the screws, take the screws out, then you can go ahead and pull this part out, like this, and then you're done. Ta-da! Okay, and there you successfully removed the Sargent doorknob from your door.